Here are 3 things that I will be doing in order to upgrade my greedy miner as fast as possible. I will be breaking down my entire strategy in this video, so make sure you press the like button and subscribe. As you guys know, a couple of days ago, I ended up purchasing a greedy machine. Check it out. It has 148.36 terahashes and the current efficiency is 28.63. It was 35 when I bought this machine. But right under the power and the efficiency, you're going to see this message. To increase the power of this miner, you will need to upgrade its energy efficiency to 20 first. So what I need to do is get the efficiency down to 20 or less in order to get the benefits of the greedy machine. As you guys know, the greedy machines give you free power, free terahashes every single week for simply holding these miners. These are the only miners in the GoMining collection that offer this benefit. But for me to take advantage of it, I gotta bring the efficiency down. When it comes to Bitcoin miners, the more power, the more terahashes they have, the more money it will cost to upgrade the efficiency. That is why I always recommend when you are starting out to get a miner that already has low efficiency. 15 is the best efficiency, and that is what I'm going for. But my first goal with this miner is to get the efficiency down to 20. That way I can start getting the weekly rewards, which I will use to reinvest back into the miner to improve the efficiency all the way down to 15. So when we take a look at this miner and we press upgrade, we are going to go over to the efficiency. As you can see, upgrading the efficiency on this miner will cost some money. So to get an extra 0.077 efficiency, it will cost me $99.99. ROI is 47%. But let's see exactly how much it will cost to upgrade the efficiency down to 20. So it will cost me $1,847, which comes out to 4,556 GoMining tokens. So I definitely have my work cut out for me in order to get this miner to 20 efficiency. And to get it down to 15 efficiency, it will cost $2,605. Literally more money than what I paid for the miner. So keep this in mind if you plan on getting a greedy machine that has 35 efficiency. And now let me talk about the strategy of what I plan on doing in order to get as many GoMining tokens as I possibly can to upgrade this miner. So the first thing that I will do is literally convert all of my profits into GoMining tokens. All you got to do is go over to settings, press rewards settings, and then you are going to see this option right here, which will allow you to get paid in GoMining tokens instead of Bitcoin. So we are going to select this option, and as of right now, I'm making $11.76 worth of Bitcoin every single day, which is not bad. But if I get paid in GoMining tokens, that will give me 29.04 GoMining tokens every single day. This will add up very quickly. So as soon as I get a couple of hundred GoMining tokens, I will use all of them in order to upgrade the efficiency on my miner, and hopefully little by little I will get it down to 20 efficiency. And now let's start stacking some GoMining tokens. And then once you have selected this option, you're simply going to exit out, and then next time you get your rewards, it will be in GoMining tokens. And now let me talk about the second thing that I plan on doing. This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Are you tired of tax headaches every time you buy and sell crypto? Imagine stacking up for your retirement on your terms. With I Trust Capital, you can buy and sell crypto, even gold and silver, inside a tax advantage IRA 24/7. Roll over an old 401k or open a traditional or a Roth in minutes. Keep everything in one dashboard and use the institutional grade custody with straightforward fees. So if you plan on investing in crypto for the long term and you want to take advantage of all the tax benefits, you got to get yourself a I Trust Capital account. If you use the link in the description box below and you fund your account, you are going to get a $100 bonus. What are you waiting for? Check out I Trust Capital. And that is taking advantage of the bounty program. Guys, This, in my opinion, is one of the easiest ways to get free GoMining tokens, and I highly suggest you take advantage of this feature. So if you invite friends and they make a purchase, you get 50 points. If you simply invite a friend, you get a point. Credit Karma, this is the big one. This is where you can earn the most amount of points. You can earn anywhere between 100 to 200 points per task. So if you have over 8,000 karma already, you'll be able to stack upon a lot of points. Second one is messages in Telegram. So if you send 10 meaningful messages in the Telegram group, you are going to get 2 points. You can literally be in the Telegram group all day long, sending message after message, helping people out, and you'll be earning a ton of points. Then you can obviously share the posts on X in order to get points as well. And then watch the YouTube videos for even more points. And being fully transparent, here's how many free GoMining tokens I have received from the bounty program. As you can see, on the 17th, I received a whopping 1,373 GoMining tokens. And then before, I received 29, 31, 84, 121, 119, 104, 56 GoMining tokens, 30, 64, and all of this adds up. And I use all these free tokens that I get from the bounty program to upgrade my miners, to get more power, to improve the efficiency. Hopefully over the next couple of weeks, I will try my best to earn even more so I can lower that efficiency on my greedy machine. But one thing that I love about GoMining is that they offer a ton of ways to earn some free GoMining tokens. They even have locks where you can lock up your GoMining tokens to earn even more. I will be locking tokens later on once I get this miner upgraded. Right now, my goal is to get to 20 to start getting that free power. And that brings me to the final thing that I will be doing, and that is investing some of my own crypto. I literally have 20, 30 plus wallets that I have used over the last 5-10 years to invest in crypto, and a lot of these wallets, they have a ton of random meme coins, a ton of projects that I invested in that are not moving at all. Literally, I have positions anywhere between $1 all the way to like 50, 60 bucks that haven't moved in years. So I will be cleaning up some of these wallets, selling all those useless positions, and taking that money in order to upgrade the efficiency on this miner. There are a lot of projects that have completely flatlined, so I will be liquidating those positions and putting the money to good use instead of leaving it in the wallet and letting it sit for the next 5-10 years knowing they're not going to move at all. So that is my strategy. That is what I plan on doing. Obviously, this will take some time. I'm not going to get this miner down to 20 efficiency overnight. It will take some investing, a lot of accumulating of GoMining tokens to make it happen. But that is my biggest goal right now. Alright everybody, that pretty much concludes this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comment section below and let me know what other videos you want to see regarding the GoMining platform. Like, subscribe, see you in the next video. Peace out.